hello, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel again if you have never been here. We love painting, we love having fun, we love discovering new techniques, we love also making mistakes. Why not? It's only paint, but the intention is for us to have fun. Today I'm going to work with the technique that I have been practicing lately, that I saw from some other artists like Sarah Taylor, that I absolutely love. And this is based on using GAC 800. This is the paint that I use from Golden, GAC 800, and that's basically it. It comes, we create what she calls GAC Magic, that is basically white paint with GAC, and the colors normally golden fluids, because the Golden brand, it's a really good brand. It's expensive, but it's worth it. And these fluid acrylics with the GAC make a really cool, vibrant color. So we are going to play with those and see what happens. Okay? So I'm going to wear my gloves. And you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so it notifies you when I upload new content. Every month I participate with some collabs, friends doing some collabs, and we have fun. Okay, so let's have fun together. So I'm going to do kind of like a composition that goes kind of like the blow, when we do the blow, and then I'm going to add a little bit of gold and some other colors here. So let's play. Interesting, this technique is on dry canvas. So you work with the technique on dry. We work with the GAC Magic around it to make the composition as you want, and then you move the paint around. So let's see. So I'm going to use this first. Let's do now. I'm going to do like purple. As you can see, this paint is really liquid. Doesn't hold any amount. I'm not going to add there this pink, I'm going to add more like a reddish one. Let me see if you can see. This is another type of purple, kind of grayish purple. A little bit of lighter than the other one, as you can see. Want to add this kind of like on the corners. Maybe some places here and there. And then I want to add some gold. I think some gold will be really cool here. And a little bit of this light gray. I'm experimenting. Whatever happens, happens. Going to add a little bit of this GAC Magic, that is basically white paint with GAC Magic and a little bit of enamel, not too much. I'm going to put a little bit around it, a little bit in the middle. Why? Only because I want to. It's like, I feel it is. It's depending on the composition that you want to achieve, right? I'm going to play. So let's play around it. I want to create something simple and magic. Oh, this is looking cool. Here I am missing a little bit more of this, so it runs. Ooh, I like it. Well, let's do a little bit of this And let's move it a little bit around. Maybe the hair dryer, why not? And actually, let me use the small one. I recently got this one that I really like. It looks like a toy. It's not. I had kept it clean, but I hadn't used it with my gloves. Oh, look, I really like this. I really like it. I'm going to try to get some composition here going. Push it a little bit more. And then down. There. Now I went down. Ooh, I like it. I like this technique because I think that I can control it better than when I am doing a Dutch pour. Because a Dutch pour, I need to put it on top of like already my base, right? And then kind of like hope that it moves the way that I want it to move. And this I kind of like control my composition, and I am liking that a lot. As I said, I learned this technique from Saga. I know that she learned it from somebody else that she mentions in her channel. I don't remember who's the artist that she learned it from, but I really like the way that she works with this. She's always like creating new stuff that I love. And I do my own. And that's what we are all here. It's like you will learn some things from me, you will learn some things from some other artists, you will try your own, you will make your own compositions. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. Let's see. I love the way that this moved here. Love it. I love it. I really love it. I think I am so in love with this technique. I'm going to try larger. I'm going to start daring and go larger. I want to present a show. And I want to start prepping my... I love it, love it, love it, love it. What do you think? Do you like it as much as I do? I hope you do. And I hope you try it. It's really easy. But look what difference make to use quality paint, right? I see this a little bit weak. So I'm going to add a little bit more of this. There. And a little bit of purple. Remember that this side we didn't use the pink on purpose, kind of like to balance it out, but I think I lost the purple a little bit, and the this color is rust. I am trying to... let me tell you something that happened to me. It was so funny. Yesterday I was preparing several paints because I had run out of my paints for my bloom technique, right? So I had a little bit of paint, and I had like... I was preparing my paint. And then I had a little bit of house paint, PPG paint. I had a little bit left in a can that it was almost empty. So a can like this one, right? So I said, oh, why do I have a little bit of paint there? Let me put it in my container. I have different containers, so I am not carrying this big can. So I was so happy, and then pouring it. And let me show you, like I have this for my PPG, and I have this here. I didn't see that I was putting it on this one instead of this one. So, oh well, this has a little bit of house paint. Fortunately, it's not too much because it was really a little bit that was left in that can. Hopefully, doesn't affect my result, and if it does, well, I will paint on top of that. So, lesson learned. Next time, before I pour something, I need to check my label. So, I don't know, let me know in the comments if something like that has happened to you. As I said, it's only paint, okay? So, hope you like it. I absolutely love it. I am in love with this one. And hope to see you next time. See you.